How to translate YouTube video to different language. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to translate YouTube video to different language. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for youtube.com. Now go ahead and open the video you want to change the language of. Once you have played the video in YouTube, tap on the settings icon you see there. You will then see the option for audio track. Tap on that and as you can see, audio track 16. This indicates that this particular video is currently available in 16 different languages. So once you tap on audio track, you will see all the languages your video will be available in. You can simply scroll through and select the language you want to translate the video in, and with this, you will successfully be able to translate YouTube video to different language. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.